The latest MacBook Pros 2018 13-inch 15-inch Apple with Touch Bar included a lot of updates, including new processors and True Tone screens, which makes this an excellent time to pick up a system with updated components. Apple's authorized resellers are taking pre-orders for 2018 laptops with quad-core or 6-core Intel processors, and many retailers will not charge sales taxes in most states, allowing customers to save between $140 and $535 on average compared to Apple orders. Version 2018 of Apple's 13-inch MacBook Pro with Touch Bar saw many updates, including the new 8th generation Intel CPUs. Buyers can select between quad-core chips of 2.3 GHz and 2.7 GHz with 8 GB or 16 GB of 2133 MHz LPDDR3 memory. New for 2018, users can also select configurations with up to 2 TB of SSD storage, ideal for students and business users. The 13.3-inch Retina display also features True Tone technology,